We're demonstrating how to install the SD card on MC315. The map data is here. So once you have the SD card, all you just need to put the SD card over here. Just follow the normal procedure. Press it, close this rubber panel cover. Yeah, then press only once, and it's gonna restart because we removed the SD card. So eventually it started working. So check, everything is English, everything 100% English. So this is the card that you guys will get from us. Thank you so much for watching the show. Thank you.
What